Thanks so much for stopping by. I am going to be doing just a quick little video today to show you how I'm making a tic-tac-toe with stones for the little pieces. Still working on the actual board that will have the hashtag kind of design on it to do the tic-tac-toe with, but I wanted to show you how I'm doing the actual pieces to play with. It's a little hard to see, but I cut out two different patterns of dinosaurs. There'll be one set will be on black, and I'm going to do that in the vivid orange, and this is the multi-surface paint. Then I'm going to do this one in the true blue, which is my grandson's favorite color, and that's who I'm making these for. I realized once I got the shapes on the stones, I'm missing a dinosaur, so I'm not sure what I did with him, but I'm going to do this very quickly. So I'm going to do the blue using a stencil brush, and this is, well, it's a Waverly brush, but I'm not sure the size. I guess it's just small. And when I stencil, I just go up and down very quickly. I did not put anything around this to try to keep from bleeding. Basically, as far as I'm concerned, if it bleeds, I can touch it up. You know, it's for my grandson to play tic-tac-toe with at my house, so it's not a biggie. If I were selling it, I'd be a little bit more concerned. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pull this off as I'm doing it. Alright, so we have the first one. I will be coating these with the Mod Podge varnish. Or, I'm sorry, it's not varnish, the Mod Podge Ultra, which is a spray-on all-in-one glue sealer for multi-surface indoor-outdoor. So I'm going to be spraying those with this after they've dried. I can also bake them. Haven't decided if I'm going to do that. I might bake these. I'm just not sure. But I thought he would be tickled. He knows that I've been wanting to create this for him for a while, but he doesn't really know what design is going to be on it, so I think he'll be tickled as well with the other grandchildren, because they all like dinosaurs. If you have any young kids or remember being young yourself, dinosaurs, amongst other things. But I thought this would be cute to play tic-tac-toe with them. I like to be a little creative with some of the stuff I do with them. A lot of the stuff I do with them, actually. Again, this is just a quick video to show you how easy it is to do this. Cut the design out with my silhouette cameo, and I am using contact paper for the stencil. Very cheap, very easy to use, and I don't know why, but for a long time I've been using this product for stenciling, and like I said, I find it very easy to use. I don't even use mask, but what I do a lot of times is just really simple stuff, so I don't really need mask. But if I got into more difficult projects, I probably would want to use that. Alright, so I have the first set done. I'm going to rinse out my brush. And I meant to say too, if you're new to my channel, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. I do mainly painted glass, but I do a variety of different painting projects from time to time. One thing bad about this particular one right here is with the stone being black, my contact paper being black, visually I'm having a little difficult time seeing it and making sure that I'm actually hitting it right. But I think, yep, that's fine. He'll get the gist. Now, if you want to make this a little fancier, you know, you could go around it with, you know, line it, maybe even do some other paint along with it to give it some shadowing and detail. But, you know, like I said, for the gist of this video, I'm just trying to show you how easy it is to make some games for your kids and it not have to cost a fortune. Because some of the games you get anymore are not like what they used to be when we were kids. I mean, really, I bought some this past year and was very disappointed. You know, the pieces don't stay together. And it's like, how do you expect people to play these? Alright. And I might, if I can, I'm a little nervous about trying to reuse one of these with the paint being wet. But, you know, I definitely could take one of these off and stick it on the other one and do it real quick, which I might do. But like I said, you know, you can easily, you know, make these even cuter by adding more detail to them. Eyeballs and all that good stuff. Let's see here. The main thing with stenciling, especially when you do something little, is just make sure you're going up and down, not sideways, or try to keep the paint from going under. Make sure you're going up and down, and that'll help. Alright, so there you have it. I created 5 pieces. I don't know if that's enough. I think it should be. Trying to figure that out. Created 5 of each, and once I get them either baked or air dry and then sealed, they'll be good to go. Alright, I appreciate you stopping by. Once again, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new. Also the notification bell. That will notify you whenever I'm posting something new. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. And there is a share button underneath the video. Make sure you hit that and share it with your social networks, all your friends and family. I'd appreciate that. I am trying to grow my channel. So once again, thanks again for stopping by. Have a good one. Until the next video, I will talk to you then.